Meet the Raysoar Laser Portable Handheld Laser Welding Machine. Weighs only 28 kilograms. One person can move it anywhere. Workshop, job site, no problem. Stable 1080 nanometers beam quality delivers clean, uniform welds with precision you can count on. Air-cooled design features easy maintenance. Power range from 700 watts to 2000 watts. Can process stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum up to 7.0 millimeters. 4 functional modes. Continuous welding mode. Laser cleaning mode. Weld seam cleaning mode. Laser cutting mode. Raysoar FW22-II series. Portable, precise, built to perform.